Okay, here we go. Not far away. Just got a few little things to do to it to finish it off and get it on the track. But since last time, see the front here, I've got me cooler for the power steering, and that one there for the oil. It's my remote oil filter setup with a reusable oil filter, so hopefully that'll work alright. That's my box I made up for my oil breather setup. So again, hope that works. Let's have a look here. Got our fast ignition setup, which connects to an MSD distributor. That's basically a plug and play thing. Just got a adapter there just to make sure you get the right wire set up. Must be right. Starts, turns on, starts. So that must be right. The old aeroflow filter for the radiator. That's apparently a must. That's my canister for the power steering, which come off a 253 Cup car. That's the power steering setup down there. I don't even know what it is, but anyway, see how it happens. This is the top of me XYZ coilovers, which gives me some nice camber. That's me the old discs and the 6-pot calipers. I did have a bit of trouble with these. I wasn't 100% sure that they'd be right, because I wanted the slotted. I reckon they didn't make the slotted, so I thought, oh, I'll have the dimpled. No, don't do a dimpled. This is the only one they do, so I hope it's going to be okay. It's got floating hubs, so hopefully that'll make a difference when it comes to the heat. I reckon they can crack in between the holes, and you don't see too many track cars with with the holes in it. They're usually slotted or something, I think. But see what happens. That's the coilover set up underneath there. Hard to see, but anyway, as I said, it gives us a nice camber. So we'll go around this way. Just been knocking up some numbers. I'm just not quite sure on the roundels. So I've got that one there. And just quickly we'll go around the back. See, there's the others. Oh, that's the other one there, so just not sure which way to go yet. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So we'll go. We'll keep on going around that way. So obviously everything is all finished. I was just mucking around yesterday putting a plate in the back for the seat belts until I can get a roll cage in. Let's see what we do. We don't need a roll cage, even though it's a good idea, of course. So hopefully until I can get one, that'll do. Now, let's sort of inside a bit. I've got the gearbox out at the moment because I need to get a hydraulic throwout bearing in there. That's my fast ignition, so that seems to work alright. No wiring now, fuck me dead, the wiring, what a nightmare that was. But finally got it, eventually, after a lot of swearing and not sure what was going on. But most of the time it was just me being a dickhead, not crimping properly and not having the earth connected properly and things like that. So it's a bit hard to see, but into that panel there is where all my relays and fuses are. So I'll just put a panel on that. So yeah, where it started. Oh, I can't get the bloody temp gauge to work. I don't think it's working. Just let it run for a bit. It gets hot, but the temp gauge isn't working, or doesn't move. So I don't know about that. Now I had a bit of a play with the windscreen wiper setup. I've seen them do a single setup. So got it working, it just makes a bit of a clunking noise, so yeah, that won't matter. Engine will, I'll hear the engine pull here, that I suppose. So let's give her a start up anyway. Got a new seat, mate might give me a nice light Kevlar seat. Bit small, but I think it'll be right for the time being. As I said, that's where the belts go for the time being. Set up here, alright. Yeah, we'll get in this bloody thing. It's a bit tight. So, gauges. That's the one that doesn't move at the moment, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Yeah, you're even up. Yeah, windows, look at that. It's a bit flash, isn't it? Turn that on, that's my fan working. It's that one there. Now, looking over here, this is flash. Bugger, even windows even work, that's a worry. Definite worry. Anyway, we'll put some noise into it. What a dickhead. Forgot to turn the fuel pump on, didn't I? No wonder she cocked out. Give her a minute, or a few seconds. It was idled on about 60 oil pressure, so it's just come down a little bit, maybe when it's a bit warm. Yeah, but that bloody thing goes there, doesn't want to work. Even that oil one doesn't. Not sure about that one. Yeah, so there she is, poor old thing. Yeah, so I'm not sure about that gauge. I might have fucked it when I put it in. I thought I tested it, anyway. But anyway, there she is, poor old thing. So all I've got to do now is get this bloody clutch thing set up, get the gearbox back in, and she's basically a goer. So hopefully next time I do something like this, I might be headed out on the track, or get it on the track somehow. Alright, catch you later.